Good morning, grade 7. Today we are going to discuss atom molecules and chemical formulas. So first let's discuss about elements. Elements क्या होते हैं? Elements only contain one type of atom. अगर आपके atom एक type के होंगे then it is called element. Sometime two or more atoms join together to form a molecule. When two or more than two atoms join together they form a molecule, so this is called molecule. The outer electron shell of these atoms are not full. They are not full. The atom become more stable by joining together to form molecules. So as outermost shell नहीं है fill, तो वो किसी दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल के साथ ज्वाइन इजीली कर सकते हैं बिकॉज उनके पास स्पेस होती है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के आने के लिए और जाने के लिए. Molecules of elements or compounds are come in many shapes. Molecules of atom जो हैं बहुत सारे shapes में आते हैं, sizes and represent by atomic diagram, models or chemical formulas. First, chemical formula of molecules tell the number or and type of atom. Number and type of atoms and a molecule contain. A formula written as chemical symbols followed by the number which tell the number of atoms. So this is called hydrogen molecule. We have two hydrogen molecules, they join together. Then we have two hydrogen here and two hydrogen here. They join together and form H2. Then here we have two oxygen molecule and here also we have two oxygen molecules. They make O2. Then we have nitrogen molecules, two nitrogen molecules. They combine and make N2. The outer shell of the noble gases are not full. इनके outer most shell जो है वो full होते हैं. That's why इनके जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज़ करने की पावर है या गेन करने की या शेयरिंग की पावर है वो कम होती है. Combining element to make compound. So element combine during chemical reactions to fill up the outermost shell of atom. If an atom have one electron here, we have one more space. So जब उसके पास एक खाली जगह है तो उस जो ही केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा तो वो कोशिश करेगा कि अपनी इस खाली जगह को या तो भर ले या अगर भरी हुई है तो वो कोशिश कर मतलब एक और शेल है उसमें से भरी हुई है ये है तो कोशिश करेगा कि ये किसी को दे दे. When two or more elements join they form a compound. ओके सेम टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, सेम टाइप्स होते हैं. जब टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स ज्वाइन होते हैं तो वो कंपाउंड बनाते हैं. कंपाउंड्स आर ऑल सेम बट दे कंटेन एटम ऑफ मोर देन वन एलिमेंट. दे contain atom of more than one element. Then now discuss about ionic compound. When an atom loses an electron to another atom it changes. The loss of electron leaves the atom with all its proton but minus one electrons. Protons are same but electrons are in minus form. We lose one electron, that's why. These make an atom with positive charge a positive ion. An atom that gain an electron becomes a negative ion. जिसने गेन किया है वो नेगेटिव हो गया है और जिसने लॉस किया है वो क्या हो गया, पॉजिटिव हो गया. Then we have example of sodium and chlorine. Here we see we have sodium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 electrons and in on is its outer shell we have one electron here. So in chlorine we have pairs 1 2 3 4 5 6, but 7 we need we have one space here. So the sodium loses an electron and chlorine take this, gain this, so they become negatively charged and sodium become positively charged. Then we have example of magnesium and oxygen. So magnesium has uh, two charges, electrons here, and we have space here. Then they loses two electrons and they take it here and they move from here. Okay, moving forward. Covalent bond. Another way that atom can complete its outer shell it is to share electron with each other. This sharing of electron is called covalent bond. When we share something, कुछ हिस्सा हमारे पास रह जाता है और कुछ हिस्सा हम दूसरे को दे देते हैं. तो covalent bond is just like that. We have chlorine here and chlorine here. We have one space here and one space here. So they share both, they join together and make a bond, covalent bond. Here water, we have two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. We need one electron here and one electron here. Hydrogen share their electron here and they make oxygen, H2O. That's it for today's topic. Thank you so much.